Hi, this is Eric Halverson again, Halverson Law, bringing some additional tips to you as part of our 12 Days of Buying a Business series. So thanks again for joining us. I will be starting today with tip number 7. You need to get paid. It sounds like kind of a basic and funny concept, but it's very, very relevant. When you look at the numbers and the financials that have been provided to you by the seller, you want to make sure that tucked in there somewhere was the seller actually getting paid by the business. Bottom line is, if you're working 40, 60, 80 hours a week on this new business for yourself, you need to have some sort of financial compensation so that you can pay your own bills. So you can pay your rent or your mortgage, buy food for yourself, so on and so forth. So you want to make sure that in those financials, you have a way of getting paid. It's also a way that a seller could make a business look more profitable by simply excluding their payments to themselves. So make sure it's there, okay? Consult with the CPA, make sure it's there. Tip number 8, surround yourself with professional support. This is more than just a shameless pitch for our attorney legal services. It's really a must-have. You need to surround yourself with competent professional counsel to make sure that you're making the right decisions and that you're protected. So what does that mean? I'm talking about attorneys, us, of course. I'm also talking about CPAs. CPAs are necessary for your business to make sure that you're hitting your milestones, you're complying with all the tax requirements, and that you're doing all the right things. The next thing is insurance brokers. Make sure that you're properly protected from an insurance standpoint. In other words, make sure that you have a team around you that cares about you, cares about your success, and wants to see you move forward, onward, and upward with your business. Tip number 9, plan ahead so you can hit the ground running. This is very important. From the time that you start looking at a business to the time that you actually close on the deal can take quite some time. It can take weeks, months, hopefully not more than months, hopefully not as long as a year, but you never know. During that period of time, that's a valuable period of time when you're not operating the business, but you can actually start putting together your plan and getting a lot of work done in anticipation of owning the business. So what type of stuff am I talking about? Well, if you followed our guidance and you started up a new business, a fresh entity to buy the assets of the business that you're buying, then you'll need to set up an account with Employment Security. You'll have to set up payroll. Maybe you have to get your website and your email going if you're rebranding. Maybe get your employee handbook set up. These are all things that you want to have done that you'll need for your first day of business. So take those weeks or take those months prior to the closing, make sure that they're super dialed in. So those are our 3 tips for this session. Thank you so much for joining us. If you have any sort of questions, feel free to give us a call. We're here to help. We care about our clients and we'd love to hear from you.